Hello, my name is David Makin. I'm a fractal artist, and fractals are the art of mathematics, or if you like, the art of geometry. And very quickly I can show you a fractal made from geometry. If you imagine that is a trunk and that is two branches, and then you shrink the whole thing down and replace that one with trunk, branch, branch, and replace this one with trunk, branch, branch. If you then take the whole thing again and shrink it down and replace the smallish branches and then repeat, eventually what you'll do is you get a tree. Now on the screen here in front of us you can see this animation, which is an example of what you can do nowadays with animated fractals. But fractals go back to the 1970s, and a guy called Mandelbrot, who was a mathematician who studied them and coined the term fractal. This fractal here is actually named after him. It's called the Mandelbrot set. And if I magnify this area between the colour and the black, it's infinitely complex, as you can see. And if I magnify even more, you can see we've now got rather black holes in it. Now those shouldn't really be there. We need to up the detail level to see the full fractal, and if I do that, you can see now it's filled in. Not only that, at the top here you can see we've actually got the same shape, slightly twisted, but quite clearly it's the same Mandelbrot set.